Pakistan, unfortunately, fails to gain trust and respect at international level as reflected by its passport, which was again ranked as the fourth worst in the world after gaining the 100th spot, according to the Henley Passport Index. This ranking, based upon the number of destinations their owners can access without a prior visa and covers 199 passports, comes with a score of 33 for the fourth consecutive year, above only Syria, Iraq and Afghanistan, which obtained 30, 29 and 27 points respectively. Meanwhile, the arch-rival India occupies the 80th spot jointly with Senegal and Togo with 57 visa-free destinations. When it comes to the strongest passport, Singapore again topped the list this year with a score of 192, a position previously held by Japan, as the residents of the Southeast Asian city-state enjoy visa-free entry to 192 destinations. The second spot is occupied jointly by Germany, Italy and Spain with a score of 190, followed by Austria, Finland, France, Japan, Luxembourg, South Korea and Sweden, tied as third in the ranking. They have 189 visa-free destinations.